To add a 1099-R on Turbotax, start by logging into your Turbotax account and selecting the tax return you want to work on. Once you are in the tax return, click on the Wages and Income tab. Then select Retirement Plans and Social Security. Next, click on the Start or Update button next to the IRA, 401k, Pension Plans option. You will then be prompted to answer a series of questions about your retirement income, including the type of plan and the amount of income you received. When asked if you received a 1099-R, select Yes and enter the payer's name and the amount of income reported in Box 1 of the 1099-R form. You will also need to enter any federal income tax withheld, which is reported in Box 4 of the 1099-R form. Turbotax will then guide you through the process of reporting any state or local taxes withheld, as well as any other relevant information. Be sure to carefully review the information you enter to ensure it is accurate, as this will affect your tax return. After entering the 1099-R information, Turbotax will calculate the taxable amount of your retirement income and apply any applicable tax credits or deductions. You can then review your tax return and make any necessary adjustments before filing. It is essential to keep accurate records of your 1099-R forms, as you will need this information to complete your tax return. If you have any questions or concerns about reporting your 1099-R income, consider consulting with a tax professional or contacting the IRS directly. By following these steps, you can easily add a 1099-R to your Turbotax return and ensure you are taking advantage of all the tax credits and deductions available to you. Remember to always double-check your information for accuracy to avoid any potential errors or delays in processing your tax return.